Take a look at my Phantom wallet. All of this money came from launching my own meme coins on repeat. It is not by trading meme coins and it's not by luck, just by using a strategy that actually consistently prints. Stick with me because in today's video, I will show you guys exactly how this strategy works from scratch. Now, just around 8 to 7 months ago, I was a full-time meme coin trader. I was trading meme coins and I'm not going to lie, bro, I was making a couple $1,000s every single day, and obviously, bro, the volume was higher back in the day, but there's a reason why I switched to deving meme coins, and you guys will see why. Because every single time I bought into a new coin, the same thing happened over and over again. Well, it instantly dumped right after I bought in, just like this coin right here, and I'm pretty sure all of the coins will eventually go to zero, okay? Every single time I bought in, the dev would liquidate my entire position and I would be left holding the bag. Now that's exactly when I switched my entire strategy. I became the creator of these coins because that's exactly when the truth came out. The people making money are not sniping coins, they're launching them. Becoming a dev, okay, is way more profitable than trading. You have to understand that concept because when you launch, you're in control of the timing, of the hype, and everything. Launching has almost no downside because creating coins will cost literally $0. You guys will see into this video, it costs literally nothing. And by the way, bro, you guys have to keep watching this video because I will do a live step-by-step tutorial and I will even do a live example. I will be launching a meme coin. I will be turning $0 into profits. This strategy allowed me to make 1k, 2k every single day for the past 5 months. Keep watching. And by the way, guys, this entire video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. It's all fake. It's all made with AI. Cap! Now, a lot of devs, right, they launch their meme coins on pump.fun. Now, let me tell you why pump.fun is a mistake for beginner devs. Because pump.fun is overcrowded, which means there's hundreds of coins launching every minute and they're all vanishing without traction. The number one goal of a meme coin dev is for your coin to graduate onto the Raydium DEX, okay, and to reach tens and thousands of people. But by launching on pump.fun, bro, you are just wasting your time and energy. Because on Pump.fun, your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to be migrated directly onto the Raydium DEX, which takes too long and it's basically impossible, right? On top of that, Pump.fun takes a cut of your supply and off of the fees, so there's no point of launching on Pump.fun if you're not going to get a bunch of buyers. That's exactly why I switched to create coins.io because this launchpad is completely fucking different, okay? CreateCoins.io solves all of that by sending your coin straight to Raydium. It will be immediately migrated free of fucking charge, where it graduates instantly and becomes tradable within seconds right away. On top of that, bro, since it is going to be on the Raydium DEX, your coin will be viewed to tens and thousands of people. So if you can just get a couple $100 worth of buys, bro, that's all you need to make some money and just move on, okay? You get more visibility, you get more liquidity, and more opportunity for viralness. Now, anyways, you have two quick options to make a meme coin, and it's up to you to choose one. The first method, okay, is to build a brand new meme coin from scratch. So first of all, you need to find a narrative for your meme coin. Go on X, for example, and look for some type of meme, political joke, something viral, some type of tweet from Elon Musk or Trump, just anything, right? Just look for something and then make a meme coin out of it. For example, Bitcoin just rugged, okay? That is a good narrative. But yeah, once you have a good narrative, bro, come back to CreateCoins.io, then invent a quick name for your meme coin, add a quick symbol, right, and then add a quick image for the logo. That's the most important part. And just like that, bro, just click next, do these steps, and you are done. It's live on chain. But the second method is actually my personal favorite one and the most profitable by far, okay? I actually use this method all day, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, these tokens already have momentum and they're already going viral. So, copying them gives you immediate traffic and instant buyers on the spot and higher potential to profits since the hype is already built in, okay? Copying coins is fucking gatekept to the max because it's so profitable. Just keep watching, bro. Alright, let's get this started. I'm going to launch a coin right now so you can see exactly how fast the whole setup actually is. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right, just by doing this like that. Then click on the refresh button to have all the new coins pop up, and then just copy one. I'm personally just going to copy the Froge coin. Why? Because it has a decent PFP. It looks kind of unique, right? I mean, I'm just choosing one randomly, and it has a last buy 4 seconds ago. So click on Crit Coin, then ignore the block, right, and just go through it. So proceed, confirm, I understand, right here, then click on confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds, bro. Just give it some time, boom. And if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it is live on chain, everything works, okay? The coin is actually legit, which means everything is running smoothly. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is simple. We're just adding liquidity. This is the step that activates your token on Raydium so people can immediately start buying and selling once it goes live, okay? This page is what Pump.Fund doesn't give you guys the option to customize to your liking. Now for the amount token A, just make sure to click on 90%. That is going to drop 900 million tokens right under for the amount token B. This works like your first buy into your own project. You are not giving away any SOL. It is just being locked to open the liquidity pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and you'll get that full amount back later once you remove the liquidity later. Okay, so we have nothing to lose. This is only a first buy, so I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, and you'll get this back later. Okay, because you're the creator of the coin. Actually, 0.3. Click on Crit Pool. Never mind. Click on Confirm. Once that is done, bro, click on the refresh button right here. Scroll down, and boom, the Froge coin is now live. Your profits are right here. And if you click on the refresh button to check your profits right here for a second time, now we're up $128 USD in profits, okay? All pure profits right off the bat because people are seeing our coin and they are buying in. That is the beauty of creating coins. Click on View on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view. And as you guys can see, bro, the coin is officially live. We are getting buyers left and right. We're already up like $100 and maybe $200 right here in profits, okay? This is why I love creating coins over and over again, because look, we created this coin, right? Oh my god, $80 right here. What the fuck? It's pumping. Okay, like I said, bro, we created this coin and now we're getting buyers like right off the bat. Like, bro, we're seeing results right here. Oh my god, bro, this coin is pumping. Oh my god, 2k market cap. We're already up maybe 500, 600 bucks around there if I had to guess. This is actually insane, bro. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump. I will do a quick time lapse, and in a couple seconds, I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and it looks like we're kinda at the 2.5k, 3k market cap range. We did get a lot of transactions, so that is good for the creator fees in our pockets. And anyways, bro, let's make some money. Come back to createcoins.io, and obviously, bro, make sure to click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1.5 thousand, $1.49,000 to be exact. Now click on the minus button, do 100% to remove everything, then click on the red button. And as you guys can see, bro, we're going to receive around 11.5 Solana. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some generational wealth. Obviously, bro, this was all for educational purposes only. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received the entire amount right inside our wallet. We went from $0 to 1.5k just like that, bro. Go try this out before it's too late and let's fucking go.